Imagine standing in the balcony of a living area. You are having these three views. First, Mahalakshmi Race Course. Second, Haji Ali. And third, Arabian Sea. Well, you might be thinking it's a dream, but no, it's a reality. Right now, I'm standing in a three-bedroom hall kitchen apartment. I'm in the balcony, and from this balcony, you are having this view, as you all can see. Yes, it is a reality. You have both the options available. If you want a furnished flat, that's also available. If you want unfurnished, that's also available. From the start, coming to the kitchen area with parallel countertops, and in the end, you have a dry space as well for the washing machine. Moving ahead, as you saw, this is the living and the dining area as well. Nicely done up by the developer. Moving little ahead, coming to the first bedroom on my right, this is the first bedroom. From this bedroom also, you have all the three views. That's the race course, Haji Ali and the Arabian Sea. On my left is the common washroom over here. On the opposite side, you have the second bedroom, which has a washroom attached to it. Again, from this bedroom also, you have the view of the race course, Haji Ali and the Arabian Sea. And last but not the least, this is the third bedroom, which has a washroom attached to it. As you can see, it's a three-bedroom hall kitchen apartment. We are in Mahalakshmi. For carpet area, pricing, amenities and other details, please see the description box. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors. Thank you.